Commercial real estate plays an essential role in advancing the clean energy transition and achieving real progress toward carbon reduction goals. This is a pivotal moment for our future. The technology, expertise, market demand, and capital for industrial-scale solar exist today. Since 2012, Solar Landscape has been committed to accelerating affordable access to solar energy and empowering commercial real estate owners, their stakeholders, and communities. With no CapEx solutions and the opportunity to increase net operating income while meeting sustainability goals, implementing solar is a smart financial decision. Commercial real estate leaders have everything to gain from participating in the development of our clean energy infrastructure. Join us in building a bright future where sustainability and prosperity coexist. Join us in shaping our country's solar landscape. It's a decision that benefits your bottom line and energizes communities.